Hi, Clark. Hello mo!
Maraming salamat po, Timaw. Joke lang.
Wala daw akong problema, biglang nawala yung aman pulo. Bakla.
Welcome to Manamo.
Gosh. Color Fronta, yes, from Philippines. A 29-year-old stunner representing. Tagasan nga siya? Batangas. Virgin. Never been touched. Never been discussed. Charing.
Nag-enjoy ka?
Ikaw, nag-enjoy
Oo
ka?
naman. First manamo ko to eh.
Totoo. More to come. Salar!
Dito ka na rin, Beth?
Guys, again. See you on our team building. Ang dami mong koda kasi.